A warm greeting. Today is Monday, August 21, 2023. This is Ruben Garcia. At the time of recording this video, it is 6:30 a.m. local time in the Eastern Caribbean, where we have Tropical Storm Franklin. It is currently located south of the Dominican Republic. In this video, I will provide an update on the changes that have occurred in the forecast and the effects that it will bring through Haiti, the Dominican Republic, and Puerto Rico over the next few days. But before I continue, I wanted to mention that we are closely monitoring Invest 91, which has a high probability of becoming a tropical depression or tropical storm as it moves westward. It is forecasted to reach southern Texas during tomorrow morning's hours, Tuesday. It is important for residents in this area to stay informed about its development. Later today, I will be recording another video, available through my YouTube channel, for those interested in the central and southern regions of Texas. On another note, Tropical Depression Number 6 has been classified as Tropical Storm Gert. However, it is facing strong shear winds. Despite its resilience against these shear winds, it is expected to weaken to a tropical depression today and dissipate over the next few days without affecting the Caribbean region. The Atlantic remains very active. Currently, we have 3 tropical storms. Invest 91 will likely become Tropical Storm Harold. We also have a strong tropical wave with a high probability of becoming Tropical Storm Idalia, but it is projected to stay far from land. Let's now focus on Tropical Storm Franklin. In the following infrared satellite image, we can see that it is generating a quite intense and strong thunderstorm area to the south of the Dominican Republic and the Mona Passage. We can also observe that it is being affected by shear winds from the southwest. The center of circulation is displaced to the west of the area with the strongest winds and thunderstorms. Thanks to the shear wind, it should maintain its status as a tropical storm before reaching the Dominican Republic. Remember that these outer bands will move over Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, so rainy days are expected for this region. The most important aspect of Tropical Storm Franklin is that it is expected to make a drastic turn to the north and northeast at some point. This should bring the center of circulation over the Dominican Republic or possibly over parts of Haiti. The big uncertainty is when this turn will occur. The models predict that it will happen during tonight or early Tuesday morning. It will be crucial to see where this turn happens to determine whether it will cross over the center of the Dominican Republic or have the chance to move slightly westward, closer to Haiti. This final path will be important in determining where the heaviest rainfall accumulations will occur. This is why both the Dominican Republic and Haiti need to be prepared for a potentially catastrophic rainfall event over the next 72 hours. In the specialized path models, we can see this uncertainty. Notice that while some of them take the center of circulation over the eastern center of the Dominican Republic, we still have some models showing a more westerly trajectory. Again, the final path will depend on when the northward turn begins. A weaker system will likely take more time and cross over Haiti, while a strong tropical storm, as currently forecasted, will likely cross over the Dominican Republic. In terms of intensity, there is good consensus that it will maintain its status as a tropical storm over the next 5 days. There are no surprises in terms of rapid strengthening due to the shear wind affecting the system from the southwest. The uncertainty about where the final northward turn will occur is also evident in the ensemble members of the GFS model. Many of them have the center of circulation crossing over the Dominican Republic. In less probable scenarios, we even see trajectories further east or west over Haiti. However, the most likely scenario is the one where it crosses over the Dominican Republic, entering near Barahona or Santo Domingo. The European model also presents different scenarios, ranging from a scenario crossing over the Dominican Republic to another crossing over Haiti. There is another scenario where it might even reach the eastern region of Cuba. Nevertheless, the European model continues to underestimate the strength of Tropical Storm Franklin. Therefore, at this point, we are disregarding the scenario where it could reach Jamaica or Cuba. There haven't been significant changes in the official forecast from the National Hurricane Center. It is anticipated that the northward turn will begin tonight and early Tuesday morning. According to the latest forecast from the National Hurricane Center, it is projected to reach the southern regions of the Dominican Republic near the city of Barahona during the early hours of Wednesday with sustained maximum winds of 105 km per hour. Additionally, note that a tropical storm warning has been issued for southern Haiti and southern Dominican Republic, along with a watch covering the eastern and northern Dominican Republic. From Wednesday onwards, and once it exits the Dominican Republic, it will begin a northeastward movement. It might possibly become a Category 1 hurricane during Friday night and early Saturday morning. This trajectory essentially promises several days of high humidity across the northeastern Caribbean, with significant rainfall accumulations. Now, let's look at the updates on the effects that will be felt across Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic. For instance, under the scenario from the latest GFS model run, it has the center of circulation entering the capital city, Santo Domingo, during Tuesday night as a moderate tropical storm. Wind gusts of up to 105 km per hour could affect the eastern half of the Dominican Republic. Among the best models we have, the GFS model has a trajectory a bit further east compared to the National Hurricane Center's forecast. Even in this scenario, Puerto Rico would still remain distant from tropical storm force winds. In this same GFS scenario, Haiti would not be experiencing the strongest winds or rainfall from this cyclone. The other scenario, which is currently the least likely, is the European models, depicting a very weak system moving further west and crossing over Haiti during Wednesday afternoon. However, again, this seems to be the least probable scenario. When we compare this scenario with the one from the GFS model, it seems that the National Hurricane Center is essentially averaging both solutions. That's why they have the projected trajectory over Barahona, arriving on Tuesday night. Remember that the National Hurricane Center's forecast tends to be the most accurate among the global model forecasts. At this point, we lean towards it entering over the Dominican Republic, somewhere between Barahona and Santo Domingo. Regarding maximum rainfall estimates, it will be crucial whether it follows the trajectory indicated by the National Hurricane Center or shifts a bit more eastward. Under the scenario with a more eastward trajectory, note that the highest rainfall accumulations could be in the central and eastern parts of the Dominican Republic, with totals possibly exceeding 300 mm. Under the scenario where it might shift more to the west, crossing near Haiti, the heaviest rain might fall over the southern and western parts of the Dominican Republic and Haiti, with rainfall totals potentially reaching 400 mm. For Puerto Rico, the outer bands of Tropical Storm Franklin could bring rainfall accumulations ranging from 3 to 4 inches through Wednesday. That wraps up the current update. Today, we await the expectation that this cyclone will take that northward turn. We still have to see exactly where that will happen and whether it will maintain the path outlined by the National Hurricane Center or shift a bit more eastward. In case it moves more westward, regardless, both the Dominican Republic and Haiti need to prepare for an extreme event of heavy rainfall and tropical storm force winds that will begin affecting the region starting tomorrow, Tuesday, and extending throughout Wednesday. I hope you continue with your preparations today and stay tuned to Hurricane Info for more information. Subscribe to my channel using the red button below the video that says subscribe. I will update this forecast later this afternoon or evening. See you then.